How to download TinyTask on PC and laptop. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you download TinyTask on PC and laptop. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. Open up a browser and on the web address bar, you want to type in TinyTask. When you type in TinyTask, you want to click on the first link that appears, that is tinytask.net. This is going to take you to the official site. And here you could see the downloaded option over here. You just have to go and click on version or the download the latest version. Just click on the link and it's going to download the exe files in the top right. And you just have to go ahead and open the file explorer. And here you have the TinyTask. Now what next you want to do is you want to right click on the mouse or just double click on it and run the installation. Just click on run and install the application. So that's the way you could download TinyTask on PC and laptop. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.